Hi friends, welcome to our math channel. Today we are going to discuss in this video how to remember trigonometric identities easily without confusion and some more one mark questions like MCQs. Okay, we are going to learn how to remember easily that 12 MCQs by 3 identities. Okay, welcome to first identity. I will divide the page like this. Okay, see students, first and best identity, totally trigonometric ratios, 6 ratios are there. 6 ratios is nothing but 3 pairs. That's why you have 3 identities. First and best identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is the best and first identity. Okay. Second one, secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Okay. At the time of listening or at the time of practicing chapter first time, no problem. At the time of exams, some students confusing these identities. Without confusion, how to remember, I will say. Third identity, third pair, remaining. See here, after this 4 remaining cosecant square, theta minus cos square theta equals to 1. Okay. Here, first and best identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. No confusion. Most of students not confusing, but in this two only, they are confusing. That's why put nickname for this. Or okay, special name Sita. Here Sita. This one Sita identity like that. Okay. This one Coco identity. But for one thing, for anyone enough. Okay. Special name for anyone identity enough. Remaining automatically remember. Okay. Sita identity. Secant square minus tan square. Sita identity. Secant square minus tan square equal to 1. Okay. Observe the similarities and differences. All equal to 1 coming. Okay. That is similarity. First identity only positive, remaining negative, minus, minus. Here first one only plus, remaining to minus, minus. These two is the okay, difference and similarities. From first identity, we are going to derive 4 one mark questions or nothing but 4 future formulas. Okay, that how to remember. Okay, like MCQs, blanks. You have a chance to get questions like this from this identity. How to get questions? From this also 4, this 4. So totally for the 12 identities or 12 formulas or 12 one mark questions. Okay, why? Because students MCQs mostly questions in the competitive exam or any exam, objective questions 3 types are MCQs. Okay. Direct formulas are question. Okay, bits. Next formula based general questions. Next logical. That's why first formula based questions we are going to learn here. Observe. From this, observe cos for transfer right side, we get sin square theta equal to dash. Suppose you got question sin square theta equal to dash means 1 minus cos square theta. Converse also true. Remember, suppose 1 minus cos square theta equal to dash means sin square theta. Both directions you want to learn. Okay? Sin square equal to 1 minus cos square equals to 1 minus sin square. Okay? Similarly, observe cos square theta equal to, from that first one, cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Like this, remember. So, where you notice 1 minus sin square theta, you want to apply cos square theta. Where you notice 1 minus cos square theta, sin square theta. Like that, and straight away also remember. Next, sometimes you get sin theta. Sin theta equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Observe here, sin theta equal to root of. Because square transfer right side get root of 1 minus cos square theta. Next, from this cos square equal to this one, cos theta equals to square transfer right side become root of 1 minus sin square theta. Suppose where you notice root of 1 minus sin square theta, that replace with cos theta. Where you notice root of 1 minus cos square theta, you possibly replace with sin theta. Like that, remember. How I prepared, you also prepare in the rough note, automatically you learn. Okay. Now, welcome to next. Here also 4 questions possible. Okay, observe first one or numbering I will do. First one, secant square theta equals to minus transfer right side 1 plus tan square theta or tan square theta plus 1. Okay, so where you notice 1 plus tan square theta, replace secant square theta. Okay, in some questions, some sample questions I will explain afterwards. Okay, where you notice 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square theta. Or secant square theta you want to replace, you want to write 1 plus tan square theta like that. Okay. Next, second, from this secant theta equals to Square transfer right side become root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. Next, third one. Third one, we want tan square theta. Don't go to the nearby because of here minus tan square is there. No. From first answer you get. Observe, you want tan square theta. You want only tan square. One transfer left side. What you get? Secant square theta already is there. Secant square theta minus 1. So, observe students. Tan square theta equal to 1 transfer left side. Secant square theta minus 1. That is the answer for tan square theta. Tan square theta is secant square theta minus 1. Next, fourth one. From this, suppose you want tan theta, square transfer right side becomes square root. Square root of secant square theta minus 1. Like that. In case you want to simplify, you notice the root of secant square theta minus 1, you put dash means tan theta. Like that, replace. Suppose you got, like the example, x equal to y you got, in the place of x, try to replace y, or in the place of y, required to replace x. Like that. Okay. Similarly, last three. Okay, from third identity, these are the first identity is the best identity, so second, so third. Okay, second identity around by special name, remember theta identity, secant square minus tan square theta equal to 1. Theta identity. Okay, in the future class also you want to use, you want to remember more days, more years also. That purpose, remember theta identity, secant square minus tan square. One more general bit, student. Suppose secant square theta minus tan square theta 1, reverse given. Tan square theta minus secant square theta is minus 1. Remember, generally, x by y equal to 1, y by x equal to minus 1. Or anything. For example, a minus b is 5, b minus c is minus 5. Generally, okay, remember, okay, simple and easy. Like that, in the future, you saw straight away theta is there, secant square minus tan square given 1. Tan square minus secant square given minus 1. Next, this also. Order of the cosecant square minus cot square theta equal to 1. Suppose given reverse order, cot square theta minus cosecant square theta is minus 1. Okay. Now welcome to this last one. Cosecant square theta equals to minus cot square transfer right side plus cot square. What is already there right side? 1. So 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Next, you want cosecant theta only. Square transfer right side root of 1 plus cot square theta. Okay. Now, that's why by practicing this identity, you will get idea where you have root of 1 plus cot square theta to replace cosecant theta. Okay. Next, from this you want cot square theta. From this not easy because here minus cot square theta is there. That's why better to take from this. We want cot square theta. This one transfer left side. Left side transfer, you get minus 1. That's why cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1. Next, last identity, cot theta equal to, suppose you want cot theta square transfer, it will become root of cosecant square theta minus 1. So, like this, how I wrote on the board, like this you practice, then you will get idea easily, or you recall formula easily, and you able to replace. Suppose you notice root of cosecant square theta minus 1 is nothing but cot theta. Root of 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta, like that, student. Okay. Finally, one bit remember, most important logical question. Theta identity, secant square minus tan square equals to 1. Suppose given reverse, tan square theta minus secant square theta is minus 1. Okay. Similarly here also, cosecant square minus cot square is 1. Reverse given, cot square theta minus cosecant square theta value minus 1. Okay. Some more applications we will learn in the next video. Thank you very much.